Today we are going to be doing another episode of Ms.Murray Cooks, as you can see, because I'm in my really messy kitchen. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite things I like to make for lunch or dinner. It's up to you. And that is naan pizza. So the reason it's called naan pizza is because the crust of the pizza we use is naan bread. So let's go ahead and get started. This is really, really easy and simple. So first, let's look at our ingredients. So step one, of course, was to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And our next step, of course, is to assemble our pizzas. So here's our naan bread. Naan bread, of course, is an Indian flatbread. This one is garlic flavored because garlic is the best. So the first step, of course, is to put your naan bread on your baking pan, whether it's a cookie sheet or a really messy pizza pan that I have here, okay? Next step, of course, is to add our sauce. You can use any type of pizza sauce that you like. I just get the Walmart brand. I usually put about 2 to 3 tablespoons or teaspoons on each one. And then I spread it around like so. Make sure you give yourself a little bit of a crust so you don't want it to go all the way to the end. Okay, once you've sauced your pizzas, the next step, of course, is to cheese them up. So I usually put about a handful of cheese on each one. I'll spread this around in a second. Okay, if you like cheese or you only want cheese, you may put a little bit more on. Make sure all the sauce is covered up. Okay. Then, of course, the next step is to add toppings. So next step is to add our toppings. As I said before, I'm a pepperoni fan, so I will be putting pepperoni on my naan pizza. But you can put basically anything you want. You can put pepperoni, peppers, onions. If you're a weird person that likes ham and pineapple, go for it. This is your pizza. You make it yours. Okay. So once you've put your toppings on, then it's time to put it in the oven. We are going to bake this for about 20 minutes. So we're going to set our timer for 20 minutes and start. Okay, I'll be back. Time to pull our pizza out of the oven. Oh, if only there was smell-o-vision. There we go. There's our naan pizza.